Hello everyone. As you can see in front of me are some really bad rust stains, and this is from some patio furniture that I have here in the house that through the rain and everything that comes through, it has gotten worse. And I've tried just about everything there is out there on the market to eliminate it. I've even tried that Coca-Cola experiment, and that didn't even do anything at all. So I found this rust stain remover. Actually, I bought it at Publix, and the great thing is made in the USA. And you know, I figure I'd give it a shot, and hopefully this works. This is from my understanding, it's a very strong, and so you have to make sure you wear some good gloves, strong gloves, and just don't get too close to you or anything like that. So let's give this a shot and see how this works out. Oops, right, open it here. Okay, I finally got it open. So here we go. Keeping my fingers crossed because this actually looks pretty ugly out here, and would love to get something that will remove it. So from the instructions, my understanding is that it should come off pretty easily. So I'm just going to give it a few minutes so it'll settle in. Probably need to do it a couple times, but hopefully I can see some kind of an improvement, or better yet, total removal. Ooh. So actually this is really coming off really nice. This is the first time I've tried this. I haven't tried this at all. As you can see, like I mentioned, I have tried other chemicals, household items, and nothing seems to remove it. And this bottle was about $5 if I'm not mistaken. $4 and something cents if I'm not mistaken. So guys, look at this. This is pretty much coming off. I think a little bit more in this little spot, and I think I can get this finally removed. Yay! Well, I figure I share this with everybody. I have done previous videos and did not have any success, so I never posted it, but I'm going to share this with everybody because I think it's a great item, and I'm sure there are a lot of people that are having the same issue. So again, it's called rust stain remover. I personally bought it at Publix. I don't know if they have it anywhere else, but there you go. Give it a shot. Thank you.